I don't really do a lot of unboxing videos on this channel just because, I don't know, I don't like them. But after looking at the new RIDGID Track Saw and how it came in, I think it might be beneficial. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this up together. We're gonna see what this thing comes with. And if you're deciding to buy this or purchase this, well, this video might be real nice-like for you. So let's just do it, I guess. All right, so we're gonna move this bad boy right here, and we're gonna start with this box right here. Now, obviously, these are going to be the tracks. I haven't seen them before. I'm guessing or assuming that they're probably going to be the same as the Milwaukee IAs. And then I guess you probably have a track in this box here. We'll open it up and see. Let's open up these tracks, though. Now, later in this video, we'll try to see if these tracks are going to work with the Milwaukee IA track saw. All right, here we go. Ooh, okay. Yep, they look just like Milwaukee tracks. I mean, I don't know, I could be wrong, but they look pretty much identical from the box. We'll open it up and we'll compare the two, but this is what it looks like. The only reason I don't really do unboxing reviews is because I don't think people really find them all that exciting. Maybe you do. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. Would you like to see more unboxing videos? Come on now. Watch me struggle. There's another box here. Come on, man. You see why I don't do unboxing videos? That's a massive cardboard cut right there. This cardboard is extremely sharp. You know, every day I risk my life bringing these videos to you. Am I a hero? Yeah. All right, let's flip this bad boy over. At least they're protected. They got that foamage right here. And they got this in the plastic. Maybe this is a little bit different than the Milwaukee. That is a lot of box for one track, I will tell you that. Get rid of this. Now, I could be wrong, but on the back of this, it looks like your connector bracket's a little bit smaller than what you would find on the Milwaukee IAs. However, you should still be able to use the Milwaukee IA track saw on this. So if you wanted to go a little bit cheaper and not spend all that money on those tracks, you can use these instead, possibly. We'll find out. I don't know why I was thinking that the brackets were bigger on these right here. These are the Milwaukee tracks, and this is the RIDGID, and they're basically almost identical, except for you only have one rail here on the Milwaukee. You got two, which I really like on the RIDGID. And I'll be honest with you, the RIDGID track is really nice. I like that bronzed out metal. I think it looks pretty freaking cool, but let's try to connect these things. Okay, I was hopeful, but not surprised. They're not gonna connect. I'm hoping that you're gonna be able to use the Milwaukee track saw on these tracks. I mean, again, I don't know. It looks like you probably can, but we'll check it out. I really like these tracks. I mean, check this out. It's just got a nice reflection. I don't know, it just looks freaking good. Why am I so excited about this? I think they're real nice. All right, so now we're just gonna open up the track saw itself, and I hope I don't lose a finger like I almost did with the track. I'm just gonna open that up right there. I'm pretty excited about this, actually. So you get all your paperwork. All right, so you're gonna get a clamp here. Let me show you this. This is one of the downsides that I'm seeing right off the bat. All right, so here's one of the brackets that come with this. Basically, all you do is you just adjust it like this. It's kind of okay. And you put it in like so, you adjust it, and then you tighten this down. So you're limited. You can see that this is the size, but then look at the size of the Milwaukee IA clamps. Don't get me wrong, it's good that they include this, but if you wanted to use something a little bit more professional like this, you could purchase those separately and they would work just fine. So opening up the rest of this thing here, there is another track that comes with it, but it's not the longer one. Pull this up right here. So on the back of this, you're gonna get a blade, 6.5 40 tooth, by the way. And then on the inside of the box, you're gonna get the track saw itself. Now, just feeling this, it looks legit, feels legit. You got a couple different things going on here that you would want to see on a track saw. We'll take a look at it. You'll have to put the blade in. It doesn't come with the blade in there, so that's not a big deal. So in here, you're actually gonna get two tracks, not just one. So that's pretty real nice, right? So each one of these smaller tracks, you're looking at about 27.5 inches long. And this longer track right here is about 60 inches long. So why they just didn't make the two smaller ones 30 inches long? I don't know, whatever. All right, so we'll just open these up here. I do like these tracks. I like what they did right here on the back side of this saw. You can see there's an Allen wrench here and one right here. This is for your track and this is for your saw. Good on them for doing that. And basically all you do is you just take this and you slide this over. Slide that over the rest of the way. And then just tighten these down right here. And of course, if you wanted to make the larger track even longer, you're making really long cuts or rips. Well, you can attach even more. You can attach these to this, this to another one, and vice versa. Tighten this one down as well. All right, so all of these are tightened down. We'll just flip this over like so. It's a little stuff like this that I love. These are the types of things that make me happy that they included these wrenches right here. Oh, and FYI, every rail that you get comes with their own brackets. So even if you get the longer one, it's gonna come with these here. And of course, this would just go up on your track like so. Get your riveting knife here. You crank these down on the side. These are gonna tighten them down so it's a smoother, it's not all over the place. A little bit tighter, a little bit looser. That's a smooth, smooth track right there. This feels like a legit saw. I mean, you could do your 45s on here. I mean, it just glides down on this. Loosen it up a little bit if it's too tight. Slide that down like so. And you got your different depths, all that good stuff. Just bring that up. You can do your plunge if you wanted to. I like how this locks in. If you see this right here, this actually locks into the track. I don't know if you're picking that up. You just see it goes in, and that prevents it from, like, you know, coming out. We'll give it a little bit of extra grab. That's a nice smooth saw right there. The question is, which I would be surprised if it didn't, will the Milwaukee Track Saw fit on this right here? All right, first the rigid on the Milwaukee, and I will tell you, it does not work. Look, it just rides up over top of this. I guess maybe a little bit. No, you can't do it. You know, it's pretty funny. I think the Makita and the Milwaukees are interchangeable, but the rigids and the Milwaukees that are the same company aren't. And then the Milwaukee, it looks like it wants to sit down on here, but it just won't. It's like this track is a little bit bigger. So they basically told them, don't let these things interchange. They want you to buy the more expensive Milwaukee tracks if you're using those saws. Guarantee somebody said those tracks are more expensive from Milwaukee. I don't want that saw working on that track. So you have to buy that track with this saw. Like I said, it's weird. I think the Makitas work on the Milwaukee tracks and vice versa. Let's throw this bat ray in the back real quick and just hit the start button. I mean, it sounds pretty real nice like. We'll check it out on the next video. So there you go. There's the unboxing of the new RIDGID Track Saw. I want to know what you think. We're going to do a full review on this, so get subscribed, hit the bell notification. I mean, everything I'm seeing so far, I really like. I think it looks like it's built pretty good. I don't know how strong or powerful it is. We'll do that in the next video. A couple things left me scratching my head, like these clamps. I mean, I get it. They want to keep the price down, but I don't like these. And it would have been cool to see these working on each other's tracks. I mean, vice versa. But of course, they're not going to let that happen. But it's cool. It's competition. You know, other brands coming out with different saws at lower price ranges. I'll leave a link in the description below for you to check this out. But again, if you want to see this thing used and abused, slicing and dicing, get subscribed, hit the bell notification, put a couple more videos for you right there. You're going to like those as well. If this has helped you, smash that like button, share this out with your friends. They're going to like you a whole lot more. Back with more videos soon.